Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Bench Scraper is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools in any kitchen, especially for bakers and pastry chefs who frequently work with doughs, batters, and sticky ingredients. It's the unsung hero that helps you effortlessly transfer, portion, and clean your work surfaces, making the entire baking process smoother and more efficient. This simple yet effective gadget can transform how you handle everything from pizza dough to cookie sheets, ensuring less mess and more precision in your culinary creations. Number 5. OXO Good Grip Stainless Steel Multi-Purpose Scraper and Chopper. Meet your new favorite kitchen tool. This stainless steel scraper and chopper makes portioning dough and prepping vegetables incredibly simple. Achieve perfect portions with ease. Built-in markings on the blade ensure you cut evenly every time, eliminating guesswork. Enjoy a secure and comfortable hold. The large ergonomic handle provides excellent control for all your quick prep tasks. Work with confidence and safety. Its thoughtful design keeps your hands safely away from food and surfaces. Cleanup is a breeze. This durable scraper and chopper is dishwasher safe, making it a long-lasting addition to your kitchen. What we like? If you love precise portioning, this is the one for you. Its built-in quarter-inch markings take the guesswork out of cutting dough. The comfortable, non-slip grip ensures control during quick prep tasks. You should consider this if you're looking for accuracy and ease in your baking. What people say. It's sturdy, comfortable to hold, and the edge is perfect for scraping cutting boards, countertops, dough, and stuck-on bits without scratching anything. The grip feels solid and it's easy to rinse clean. Nothing fancy, but it works exactly how it should and feels well made. It's easy to use and clean, looks sleek, and even has a ruler engraved in the bottom of the blade for all those people suffering from a need for precision. Number 4. Rachael Stainless Steel Pastry Scraper, Red. This essential kitchen tool is built to last. Its sturdy stainless steel construction ensures years of reliable use for all your scraping and slicing needs. Cleaning up is a breeze with this food mover. The smooth stainless steel surface is incredibly easy to wipe clean and is also completely dishwasher safe. You'll have complete control thanks to the ribbed handle. It's designed to fit securely in your hand, providing a firm grip for easy scooping, transferring, and slicing. This bench scraper is a must-have for any kitchen. It's perfect for a wide range of baking and cooking tasks, making food preparation simpler. We stand behind the quality of our products. This item comes with a quality assurance guarantee, ensuring your satisfaction. What we like? For those who value longevity and a secure hold, this tool is a great choice. Its stainless steel construction means it's built to last through countless baking sessions. The ribbed handle provides a firm grip for scooping, transferring, or slicing. If you need a reliable workhorse for your kitchen, this is the one. What people say. It has a ribbed handle so it's easier to hold grip. It has a large and durable surface and also has a scoop feature so that you can easily pick up your vegetables and transfer to pot pan. It picks up everything I chop, produce, breadcrumbs, crushed cookies, etc. On both sides of the bench scrape, the stainless steel forms raised sides that helps hold food securely on the flat surface. The ribbed handle is comfortable and grippy, which fits securely in my hand. Es de acero inoxidable y el mango de plástico rígido de bastante buena calidad. Bien destino. Es bonito y muy útil para recoger alimentos picados y lavarlos a una olla o sartén. Number 3. Spring Chef Dough Blender and Pastry Cutter Tool. Introducing a dynamic duo designed to elevate your baking. This set includes a dough blender and a bench scraper, working together to give you superior results with less handling. Crafted from commercial-grade stainless steel, these tools are built for durability and won't rust. The blender's blades are twice as thick as competitors, and the scraper's firm blade cuts through chilled dough with ease. Experience enhanced texture and taste in all your baked goods. Achieve flakier biscuits, perfect pie crusts, and more with precise mixing and cutting. Beyond cutting butter and scraping dough, these tools are perfect for chopping fruits and vegetables, mashing baby food, making salsa, and even smoothing frosting. Enjoy heavy-duty performance without the weight. The comfortable handles absorb pressure, reducing hand fatigue, and both pieces are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. What we like? This option is perfect for bakers who want a complete dough handling solution. It comes with both a dough blender and a bench scraper, designed to work together for optimal results. The commercial-grade stainless steel is robust, and the soft grip handles reduce fatigue. If you're looking to improve your dough texture and reduce prep time, this duo is ideal. What people say. The OXO Good Grips Bench Scraper is a versatile tool for bakers. It features a comfortable, non-slip handle and a sharp stainless steel blade that easily cuts through dough. This bench scraper is great for cleaning up flour and dough from your work surface. The wide blade covers a large area, and the edge is beveled for efficient scraping. I love how sturdy this bench scraper is. It doesn't bend or flex, even when dealing with sticky dough. The measurement markings on the blade are also very handy for portioning. Number 2. Spring Chef Stainless Steel Dough Bench Scraper. Meet your new essential baking companion. This tool is designed to make all your dough preparation tasks simpler and faster. Beyond scraping dough, it's perfect for chopping fruits, veggies, and even cutting brownies. It helps transfer ingredients and smooth frosting too. Crafted from firm, high-quality stainless steel, it cuts through chilled dough with ease. It's also dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Handles sticky dough quickly and easily. The integrated markings help you measure and cut uniform pastries every time. Avoid overworking your dough, keeping it tender. It helps unstick dough, divide it cleanly, and scrape surfaces effortlessly. Get every last bit of batter or dough from your bowl with the included bonus scraper. It even features a handy conversion chart. What we like. Consider this if you appreciate efficiency and versatility in your kitchen tools. It not only scrapes and cuts dough with precision thanks to its markings, but also includes a bonus bowl scraper for getting every last bit of batter. The firm stainless steel blade handles chilled dough with ease. If you want to save time and make your baking process smoother, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The OXO Good Grips Bench Scraper is a versatile tool that can be used for scraping dough off counters, chopping vegetables, and even cleaning up sticky messes. Its stainless steel blade is sharp and durable, making it easy to cut through tough doughs and other ingredients. The comfortable, non-slip handle provides a secure grip, even when your hands are wet. Number 1. ALLTOP Bench Scraper and Chopper, 2-pack. Introducing the ALLTOP Bench Scraper and Chopper, your new go-to tool for all your baking needs. Crafted for safety and durability, it's built to last. This isn't just for dough. Use it as a kitchen scraper, griddle scraper, or even a cake smoother. It's incredibly versatile for all your culinary tasks. Experience a comfortable and secure grip with its unique olive-shaped handle. It's designed for precision and ease, unlike traditional flat handles. Achieve perfect portions every time with clear, laser-engraved measurement markings. It even includes a conversion chart for added convenience. Cleanup is a breeze. Simply rinse, wipe, and dry. It's also dishwasher safe, making maintenance simple and quick. Made from food-grade stainless steel, this tool ensures safety and longevity. It maintains its quality through countless uses. What we like. This set is ideal for anyone who wants excellent value and a comfortable experience. You get 2 durable, food-grade stainless steel scrapers, each with an ergonomic, non-slip handle for precise control. The laser-engraved markings and conversion chart ensure accuracy without wearing off. If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use, and long-lasting set for all your baking needs, this is the one. What people say. The OXO Good Grips Bench Scraper is a versatile tool for bakers, featuring a comfortable, non-slip grip and a sturdy stainless steel blade. Its sharp edge effortlessly cuts through dough, making it ideal for dividing, scraping, and lifting. The integrated measurement markings on the blade allow for precise portioning of ingredients. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.